Hello, it's Joy here from LashJoy Academy. I just wanted to make a quick video so you know why you do need to get lash refills and how often to get them. So you need to get your lashes refilled on average every 2 to 3 weeks. Unfortunately, not many clients will be able to stretch it to 4 weeks because we lose lashes every single day. So the average person will lose between 3 to 5 natural lashes per eye per day. For someone with very fast growth, so maybe their hair grows fast, their nails grow fast, they could lose up to 7 lashes per eye per day, which means they have a super fast lash growth cycle. So those clients will need to come in more often for their refills, think 1.5 to 2 weeks maximum, and book in for longer refill appointments. But on average, for those that are losing between 3 to 5 natural lashes per eye per day, 2 to 3 week refills are enough to keep our lashes looking nice and full.